Charli D'Amelio is who I'm going to be replicating today on this mannequin right here. So I'm gonna actually color the hair because I couldn't find one that had hair as dark as hers. So we're gonna color this with a nice kind of rich dark chocolate brown, and then we're gonna cut it, we're gonna blow it out, and then we'll show you the finished result. So stay tuned. All right, so if you guys are curious, I'm gonna be using a level 4N, which is a dark brown, and I'm using 10 volume because I'm just looking to deposit on this hair, and I'm going to apply it from scalp to ends. Going to cover the whole head. Then I'm going to wait probably about 25 minutes to 30 minutes, and then we'll wash it out, and then we'll come back. There's Charli under there somewhere. All right, guys, so here is the finished result, and let's break down what I did. So the first thing was, as I mentioned, I used 4N, which is like a dark brown, and I used 10 volume because I just wanted to deposit the color. And I applied it basically from scalp all the way down to the ends. And then I let it sit for about, I'd say about 30 minutes. I really wanted it to deposit. And what I mean by deposit is that, and 10 volume was it's not designed to lighten the hair. I didn't want to go lighter. I want to actually go a bit darker or deeper. So 10 volume to me was perfect because it's just made for depositing color. And since we're going only about, I'd say 2 colors darker than what the mannequin's hair was, it was very, very simple to achieve in one process. Then after the color was done, I washed it out, shampooed it, conditioned it, and then the haircut. Now the haircut, it seems like a very, very simple type haircut, but actually cutting a one length or somewhat triangular bob is one of the hardest haircuts to cut because it's all about being symmetric and very, very balanced and having a really sharp edge to it. So what I did is I didn't use my hands whatsoever to hold the hair. I just cut the hair with my comb to create really, really sharp lines, as you can see right in through here. And then once I was done cutting her hair, I went in with my sleek serum to really help give me a nice smoother type finish to help get through the hair very easily. Then I used a Dyson Airwrap with the nozzle to help blow dry the hair much more efficiently, which helped. Then I went over it with a smoothing iron. I did spray in a little bit of heat protectant spray and smoothed it out. And here we have the finished result. All right, so for any of you guys who have watched my haircut tutorials, or if you're on TikTok and you've seen what I've done before, please let's get this out to Charli so she can see it, and maybe she'll do a duet of this on TikTok. Who knows? That would be great. But this was a fun process to do. Definitely not an easy job, but I had a lot of fun doing it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So help me get this out to her. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.